In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to get dark mode on Snapchat on Android. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your device, then navigate to the profile icon located in the top left corner. Scroll down until you find the option I need help and tap on it. This will redirect you to the support page. Next, type dark mode in the search bar to access instructions on how to enable dark mode in your Snapchat app. Once you have learned how to enable dark mode in Snapchat, let's return to your profile. From there, go to the settings and look for the option called App Appearance. Tap on it to proceed. Within the app appearance settings, select Always Dark. Yeah, just always dark. As you can see, the dark mode has already been enabled and applied to your Snapchat app. That's all there is to it. Now you have successfully activated dark mode in your Snapchat app. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.